Pig Hog PHSC3. 14-gauge 9.2 mm speaker cable, 3 feet. Pig Hog cables are precisely overbuilt to stand up to the most grueling tour conditions imaginable. They feature extra thick 9.2 mm wire, performance quality connectors, and tension-resistant stress relief. Don't settle for those fat-free cables. Grab hold of a Pig Hog. Specifications. Length: 3 feet. 9.2 mm high-quality rubber outer covering. 14-gauge wire. Heat shrink protected connectors. Top reviews from the United States. Heavy duty. Excellent speaker cabinel cable, actually better than it looks in the photos. Heavy duty. Amazing quality for the price. I originally bought an amp cable for my Fender bassman and it drastically improved the tone and cut so much noise. I went ahead and bought the instrument cable and again, it did the same thing. These cables are amazing. And they're built very rugged. My go-to cables from now on. Solid build. These are simply the best speaker cables for gigging musicians. These are super solid and can take the abuse of setting up and tearing down over and over and show little to no sign of wear.